Hey, grade 5s, welcome to your IXL for today. Let's get straight into it. We're in W, and we're going to be looking at W3 and 4 today. So let's have a look. We are looking at regular and irregular polygons. Now, the word regular means that it happens on a regular basis, like a beat in a song. That is a regular beat. It happens after the exact same amount of time each time. All right, so if you think of that word regular, you can see this polygon is regular because it takes as long to the next turn as it does to the next one, right? So yes, this is a regular polygon. Let's actually look at this, learn with an example, just to make sure. A polygon is regular if all of its sides have the same length. That's one. And two, all of its angles have the same measure as well. All right, so let's have a look at that. Yes, that is, all the angles are the same and all the sides. Let's look at this one. Is this shape a regular polygon? Well, are all the sides the same length? This side stops here and then it goes out, and I don't see that anywhere else. Plus, this side is fairly long and then suddenly a little short one and even shorter. So no, not all the sides are the same. So no, this is not a regular polygon. And one more, are all these sides the same? They look the same, all the angles look the same, so yes, that is a regular polygon. Wonderful. Okay, let's look at W4. We're looking at lines, and there are three main words that you need to learn through the section. Let's look at them here. And remember, this is in your notes. Do look at them again and add to it, to add the other words that may be not in your notes. Parallel lines, that means that they stay the same distance apart. They will never intersect. The word intersect means meet or cross. All right, so if you're intersecting, an intersection in a road is where you'll have maybe a stoplight or a stop street, and there is another path of crossing, cars going this way. You can't just automatically go in there. That would cause accidents. So you have to stop at an intersection where those lines would cross, those roads would cross, right? An intersection. So, right, so we have got, are these lines parallel? Another way to think of parallel lines is that they will never ever cross. If you think of train tracks, they always go exactly the same distance apart, even though they might all go and turn together, but they will never ever cross or meet. Okay, so they stay parallel. They're always, this part, the bottom of it is the same length apart as the top of the line, right? And it will go in a straight line. So are these lines parallel? Well, no, they cross completely. So those are not parallel lines. What about these ones? Are these parallel? Well, if you were to continue drawing these lines all the way that way, all the way that way, all the way that way, you would see that they still would never touch. So yes, those lines are parallel. How about these ones? Again, if you continue drawing these long, they would become parallel. But if you look at the question, it's actually asking if they are perpendicular. Now here is your third word that you need to look at. Perpendicular, I don't know if the word opposite is the right word to use of parallel. Parallel lines, your lines are exactly straight. Perpendicular means that it forms a right angle where they meet, all right? So if it's lying down slightly and it's not going to cross at a 90-degree angle, doesn't form that right box corner, then that is not perpendicular, all right? So a picture of a perpendicular, two perpendicular lines, let's have a look. If I draw a straight line across, perpendicular line will go from here straight up, right? And you could have that little sign that makes that a perpendicular right angle, right? So this is a perpendicular line, has to go straight to form a 90-degree angle. All right, is that what the case is over here? No, it is not perpendicular. So make sure you're looking at the question each time. Don't get into the habit of answering just parallel and then the actual question changes. So are these lines perpendicular? No, they are not. Good. I hope that you will continue working with those words. Practice will help get those words into your head, and they'll be really beneficial to have in your mind for the next couple of activities that we'll be doing next week. I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember, we can talk through in our Zoom meeting today going over a couple of these activities, and come with questions, and we will go through them. Have a good day further. Bye for now.